Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Before starting today's video, I will recommend you a YouTube channel named as All Is Here by Sheikh. It's a new channel with 80 subscribers and creating awesome videos. It's for Urdu language speakers. If you are worried about website security while browsing online, then this video is for you. In this video, we will tell you about a Chrome extension that helps you create a secure browsing environment. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google search the extension Web of Trust or WOT. Here is the extension, or search it in Chrome Web Store. Here is the result. Add this extension. How this extension looks like. Let's read some more about this extension. WOT creates a secure browsing environment showing website security icons next to every URL. Join millions of people in the WOT online security community to protect yourself from online threats that only human can detect. How it works. WOT protects you while you browse, warning you when you visit dangerous sites, scams, malware, and others. Reputation icons are displayed next to search results, social media, emails, and other popular sites. Yellow tells you to be careful. Green means it is a safe website. Features of this extension: website security reputation icon, warning screen, check any site before visiting, site reviews, Google safe browsing, free internet security, WOT community and forum. Here is the website of this extension. You can install it on Android also. Here we see how it works. We have searched the results. Open the website android.com. Click on the icon of the extension. Here it shows the reputation 4.8, reviews about this site. You can also rate this site. You can see the full scorecard of this website. Here are the reviews. Here it shows it's safe. Here do the setting to a form. You can do the settings, warning notifications, reputation icons, parental control, real-time protection. So you see how this extension helps you in safe browsing. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Yeah.